Hey guys, welcome to my channel CK Canvas. I'm Chan and today I'm going to unbox H96Max X2. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Let's check it out. So the box is fairly simple with no manufacturing details, just H96Max Android box, that's it. The box is quite slim, pretty good looking with silver bezel all around. You can see the port connections and USB port. The version I took is 4GB RAM with 64GB ROM with Android 8.1, and this is the second version. Like many people know H96Max, now this H96Max X2. So you can see the user manual which just states about the remote, how to control your Android box with your remote connections, HDMI to HDMI, all those things like that. And yeah, here is the interface of the TV. Like when you first connected this to your TV, you can check in these things, and that's it. And next comes the HDMI cable. This is a good one, I suppose, because this got gold plating and with caps and all. A good quality HDMI cable, not a cheap ones. Even though like I got this box from China delivered. And that's it. Here keycaps and gold plated HDMI cable, a thick one. Suppose that's for better 4K rendering. And this is the basic 5V DC adapter. And here comes the remote. I took the normal ones, not the voice control remote, so it comes with buttons, numbers and all those things like that. And also you need to control it with AAA batteries. A simple slim remote with this box. Let me show you the ports closely. As you can see, it's very slim, 10 by 10 size, 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters. Yeah, you can see the USB 3.0, USB 2.0 and SD card. And in the back side, power, Ethernet, HDMI and AV, which is good. And yeah, the version, I told you right, the 4GB and 64GB ROM, that's mentioned in the back side. So on the front side, nothing. H96Max with remote, and also it's lightweight. Let's check out the detailed specifications of this Android box. So first let us know the software version, which is Android 8.1 Oreo. I suppose it gets updated to Pi as is rooted Android box. Next is the processor, which is S905x2. It is the latest processor in Android box. And also, does it support 4K rendering? Answer is yes, it does. You can check out the manufacturer details. Next is the port. To the right you can see there is an SD card, USB 2.0, USB 3.0, and on the back side power, Ethernet, HDMI and AV ports. And the next is HDMI 2.0, which is good for 4K rendering, and USB 2.0 normal, USB 3.0 can support up to 5 Gbps. And the next is Wi-Fi. It comes with dual band Wi-Fi, that is it supports 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz for better internet connectivity. And when you order this Android box, you'll be getting these things. So let's connect our Android box to our TV. It's very simple. Turn on the Android box and connect the box HDMI port to your TV's HDMI. That's it. You can open any app, browse through multiple things. As soon as I connected Android box to my TV resolution changed to 4K, which is good. And here comes some animation with the Android box. And here comes the home screen. let's check out. Okay, wait. Airpin app. It's used to cast your iPhone or Android phone to this Android box. And let's check on Netflix. Yes, it is working. Currently I don't have any Netflix account, so now let's check on the basic settings. Let me show you the yeah. 1 second. I will open up the straight settings app. The version I took is like 4 GB RAM with 64 GB internal ROM. And you can see the 10 GB used of 64 GB. And I'll show you the Android version now. Updates, you can update. Currently it's on Android 8.1 Oreo. And one more thing, this is rooted Android box. And yes, you can install the custom ROMs and all the stuff. Currently I didn't see any updates here, so that's why I closed the tab. And next yeah, let's go to YouTube. Wait a second. Let me play. Oh, like my phone is my remote isn't voice control remote, so I need to manually enter the text, or if I connect this Android box to my keyboard through any Bluetooth or any receiver, I can control mouse and keyboard simultaneously. Let me show you another sample video in YouTube. Okay, yeah, okay, this thing, yeah. So it's playing good, sound is fine, but it's limited to 50. I suggest you to increase your main TV volume. Okay, that's YouTube working well, fine and good. Let me show you how to install apps. Like you can see the Play Store is working very good. Let me install an app. Let's check it out. Okay, Amazon Prime. Okay, it's just like using your mobile Android phone in your television, that's it. So installing an app is also fairly simple. Currently I'm controlling this Android box with my remote, so it's kinda difficult for me. You can use mouse or keyboard instead. So yeah, it's getting installed. Fairly simple, that's it. So you can open the app, that's it, and it runs perfectly fine. You can log in and use your Amazon Prime account. The one thing here is YouTube works in 4K. That's good, but Netflix and Amazon Prime works in 480p or 720p, I suppose, not in complete 4K, because they have some restrictions, like you need to pay all those things. Yeah, and you have File Manager, which is very basic. I suggest you to install Solid Explorer, which is far more better, and KDMC, yeah, Media Center. You can use this to browse your media and browse some apps, browse internet, IPTV, like that. Currently I don't have any pictures or videos in this Android box, so it's empty. Yeah, that's it. and this is KDMC pre-install. Browser also basic one, and you can power off just like your Android phone. That's it. And if you have any doubts or any queries regarding this Android box, please do comment under the video. And pricing might be changes around from 3000 to 5000 INR, and all the links are in the description. Please do like, subscribe and share it to your friends. Thank you.